Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the horn on Dodge Nitro. The horn on this car is located behind the grille, so in order to get to the horn we need to remove the grille. That's the horn right there. I will show you now what to remove in order to remove the grille. In order to remove the grille, we need to remove those plastic clips that are on the grille, and also we need to remove these bolts that hold the headlight, because the grille comes out with the headlight. So now start removing them. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that all the plastic clips and the bolts are removed, I'm going to use a plastic pry tool in order to pry out the grille from the car. We just put the pry tool in there and just try to pry out the grille. We do the same on the other side. We don't need to remove the grille completely, we just need to bring it out so that we can get enough access to the horn. So here the horn, we need to remove those two electrical connectors and this bolt as well. Then we can take out the horn and replace it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.